Hi, my name is Catherine Blackburn. I am the Business Development Manager here at DataDis. So as you know, MIR is at the center of your fleet management. So when we implement our software, we always make sure to connect with the ecosystem that you already have in place and any other solutions that you might be using at the moment. At DataDis, we have more than 1,000 different integrations already, and today it's my pleasure to announce that we are adding new ones to our list. So for GPS and telematics, we are now integrating with Samsara, Fleet Complete, INGTech, and Spireon. And for trailer tracking, we are adding Anytrek and TGI. So what do we do with this type of integration? The goal here is to automate all your processes. So from your GPS telematics solution, the odometer of your vehicle or trailer will be updated automatically every single day, which will help you follow your maintenance plan and your cost per mile or kilometer. We also integrate the DVR of your different solutions just to make sure that there's a complete flow of information and that everything is taken care of in terms of compliance. So when your driver will do his circle check in the morning, we'll put in a defect, and automatically that will generate a task in MIR. And as soon as the task is completed, we will send back the information to your solution indicating the work order that the task was completed on. We also added the possibility of having geofencing, which means that you can not only see a list of all the tasks to do on your units, whether they're corrective or preventative, but you can also see which unit is in your yard in all of your yards. So this is what we integrate with GPS telematics solutions. We have a ton of other integrations that I haven't mentioned today, but if you want more information, don't hesitate to contact someone from our team. Give us a call. It'll be a pleasure to help you out.